So I have a Toyota Sienna here that the rear window in the rear sliding door was not working. It has a bad regulator, and the person that owns this had put the window up, and they were trying to hold it up with some really bad sticky kind of duct tape that left this like really bad residue, which I'm still trying to clean off. I got it on my hands and everything else. But anyway, they didn't want to put in a new regulator. So I'm just trying to help them out, and what I did was push the window up all the way. And then well, before I even started working on it, you have to turn the power door switch off. That's right by the steering column. It's to the left of the steering column. So you turn that off so that the door's not going to shut on you automatically. And you can pop this panel off, and there's one screw in the front of the handle. So and the rest just pops off. So what I did was get the window all the way up and tied this X brace in place, and then I propped a piece of wood going from some nice little metal ledge right here up to the metal of the bottom of the window. So this you can do on any car. This just happens to be a Sienna. So everything will be different. I'm not measuring out. You can figure this out on your own, but I just took a piece of wood, and then the reason why you see that little extra piece there and there's some wood glue, I wanted to get it really perfect, so I got it propped up, and then I just added a little bit, not to have it too much, like way too tight, but just snug, so that you won't have any whistling or anything. And then just added extra zip ties here and there. And it's not going to go anywhere. It could be considered a temporary fix until you save up money to get your regulator. Or since this is a rear window, this could be a permanent fix. You don't really need the rear window to work. And then you can just leave the switch plug unplugged so that someone doesn't accidentally work the motor. And that's all you need to do. Hopefully that'll help you get your window up if you just need to do something temporarily till you can save up. But that's all it is. Propped up here to here, and it's tight. No gummy duct tape needed. All right, see you later.